I would request all the attendees to please stand and welcome Sir with a big round of applause and all the dignitaries on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed speakers, entrepreneurs, members of the startup community, media personnel, and other attendees. I, Shweta Shivangi, officially welcome you all to this vibrant campus of CIMP to witness the grand event Avanya Bihar 2025, celebrating the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship. This landmark event has been organized to commemorate the National Startup Day, which is celebrated on 16th Jan every year since 2022, when our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji announced January 16 as the National Startup Day to recognize startups' contribution to the Indian economy. Let me tell you, the event Avanya Bihar 2025 is a joint initiative organized by the Startup Bihar, TiE Patna, and CIMP, along with CIMP Business Incubation and Innovation Foundation, and promises to be an inspiring showcase of progress and potential in Bihar's startup ecosystem. It's my absolute pleasure and honor to be your anchor for this grand event. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our distinct honor to welcome a galaxy of eminent personalities who have graced this stage today for the big event. Please join me in welcoming our chief guest for the event, Honorable Minister Shri Nitish Mishra Sir, Minister of Department of Industries and Department of Tourism, Government of Bihar. May I request Subhangi to kindly welcome our Honorable Minister Sir by presenting a sapling. Next, please join me in welcoming our special guest, Priyasi Madam, IAS Secretary, Department of Industries, Government of Bihar. I would request Kaushal to welcome Madam by presenting a sapling. A big welcome to our next guest of honor, Shri Nikhil Dhanraj Nipanikar Sir, IAS Director of Handloom and Sericulture, Department of Industries. I request Shubhangi to welcome Sir with a sapling. It's a pleasure to have with us Shri Bharat Oswal Sir, Vice Chairman, G2 Incubation and Innovation Foundation. I would request Shreya Verma to welcome Sir with a sapling. Murli sir. Now join me in welcoming Shri Murli Bukapatnam Sir, TiE Global Chair, Charter Member and past President of TiE Hyderabad, who has joined us virtually for this big celebration event. Welcome, sir. I also take this opportunity to proudly welcome the Director of the host institution, CIMP, Professor Dr. Rana Sir Singh. I request Kaushal to welcome Sir with a sapling. A warm welcome to Shri KPS Keshri Sir, President Bihar Industries Association. I would request Shubhangi to present the sampling to Sir. We also hearty welcome Shri Dilip Sharan Sir, Thought Leader and Business Coach for this event. Would request Shreya Verma to present the sapling to Sir and welcome him. In absentia, we welcome him. We also extend our heartfelt welcome to all the startup community members and all who have joined us from different corners of the country and state. I also welcome all the attendees who have joined us virtually for this big day. A special welcome to the media personnel who have come to grace the event. Last but not the least, a warm welcome to all the STEAM faculty of CIMP, enthusiastic students of CIMP, and the dedicated staff of CIMP and CIMP Business Incubation. May I now request the dignitaries on the dais to come forward to light the ceremonial lamp together, symbolizing the commencement of the event and the light of knowledge, innovation, and new beginnings.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तु ते ॐ
I would request all the dignitaries to take their respective seats. Let this shared light guide us through the enlightening journey of knowledge and innovation that awaits. With this, we mark the official launch of the Avinya Vihar 2025 event. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Rana Singh Sir, Director CIMP, for the welcome address, who has also been contributing as the trustee member of the Bihar Startup Fund Trust. Please give a big round of applause for Sir for the address.
Honorable Chief Guest Shri Nitish Mishra ji, Honorable Minister, Department of Industries and Tourism, Government of Bihar, Honorable Special Guest of Honor Srimati Bandana Preshi ji, IAS, Secretary, Department of Industries, Government of Bihar, Honorable Guest of Honor Shri Alok Ranjan ji, in absentia, IAS, Director, Department of Industries, Government of Bihar, Honorable Guest of Honor Shri Nikhil Dhanraj Nipanikar ji, IAS, Director of Handloom and Sericulture, Department of Industries, Government of Bihar, esteemed Shri Bharat Oswal ji, Vice Chairman, Jito Incubation and Innovation Foundation, esteemed KPS Keshri ji, President of Bihar Industries Association, Shri Dilip Sharan ji, in absentia, esteemed Kumod Kumar ji, and our esteemed Shri Murli Bukapatnam ji, Global Chair of TAI Global USA, our esteemed Shri Vijay Prakash ji, members from the startup team, members from the startup fraternity, and members from the media, and my dear students. It's indeed a pleasure, privilege, honor, and delight to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, special guest of honor, and all members on the dais with a big round of applause from CIMP family. At the outset, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all the members on the dais who have spared their valuable time out of their busy schedules to share the commitment towards the mission of innovation and startups in the state of Bihar. I am delighted to extend my special thanks to Shri Murli Bukapatnam ji, who has just recently joined the global chair of TAI Global and has been kind to have spared his time to join us online. Let me place on record our sincere thanks and gratitude to Startup Bihar in general and to our two esteemed drivers of the startup economy, our Honorable Minister and our Honorable Secretary, ma'am, who have been pioneering excellence in this domain in letter and spirit, and Department of Industries in the previous years, and I'm sure in the years to come, it's going to live with the legacy and innovate further to give a catalytic boost to the startup ecosystem of Bihar. I congratulate the Startup Bihar team for yet another benchmark they have achieved. Can we have a big round of applause for reaching 10,000 on LinkedIn as followers, which talks about the reach of the Startup Bihar in the investors community, not just within the country, but outside the country as well. Let me also place on record my sincere thanks to the entire fraternity from TAI Global, all the chapters from India, 27 chapters from the country, and other chapters from rest of the globe who have been extending their wholehearted support to the startup ecosystem of Bihar in general, and also at BHub, both the BHubs which are being operational. I'm delighted to extend a very warm welcome to all the startup fraternity members here for their sincere work, and I congratulate them for their outstanding work, and they have started leaving indelible marks on the sands of time in the startup ecosystem of the country. And some of them have started getting funding from national level investors, some of them from abroad as well. It's indeed a momentous occasion for us with some of the fate deciders of the startup ecosystem today on the dais. We are delighted once again to welcome the entire team on the dais and off the dais with a big round of applause. And we look forward to marvelous deliberations during Avinya Bihar 2025. And we are willing to join hands and partner with the department to make sure Startup Bihar becomes one of the best to start with and the best in the country in the times to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for that gracious welcome address. Now, before moving to the next esteemed speaker, I would request Shreya Verma to welcome Dilip Sharan sir, who has just joined us for this grand event. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to introduce a distinguished leader of the entrepreneurial domain who, although unable to join us in person today, but has joined us virtually to represent TiE. Shri Murli Bukkapatnam sir, TiE Global Chair and founder of CEO of Volsky Technology, is a serial entrepreneur and mentor driving innovation in the tech industry. His portfolio includes investment in 13 startups and over 800 mentoring hours, reflecting his commitment to entrepreneurial growth. Let us take a moment to hear from the man himself, Shri Murli Bukkapatnam sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Professor Dr. Rana Singh, for the scintillating welcome. Thank you, Anshman and Kumodji, Vibhash, and Team TiE Patna for inviting me for such a momentous occasion. I would like to thank our esteemed chief guest, Shri Nitish Mishra ji, the Honorable Minister for the Department of Industries, Sri Bandana Preyashi, Secretary for Department of Industries, Nikhil, Dhanraj, Bharat Oswal, KPS Kesri, Dilip Sharan, for being at this momentous occasion for Startup Bihar and showcasing their support. And only the startups and the entrepreneurial community is what can change the economical conditions of a particular state or an ecosystem. I'm absolutely delighted to share my thoughts on the remarkable journey of the Indian startup ecosystem, especially as we celebrate the National Startup Day. I mean, we were quite fascinated, as you all know, that TiE is a 33-year-old organization. We're all entrepreneurs. We were quite fascinated about startups for a long time. But in India, since 2014, the word startup has taken a different meaning. And today, it is such a pride factor for each and every one of us that India is the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. I think the Honorable Prime Minister, the various governments, right, including the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish ji, and all the leaders of Indian subcontinent have done a tremendous job in participating in the programs like Startup in India and Making India to create that ecosystem for startups to be a very, very thriving force. While the Minister for Department of Industry is on the stage, I do want to put a request, submit my kind submission to the Minister and the Secretary that the state of Bihar, if they have not already considered, must look into the fund of funds startup and work with the SIDBI and the other organizations so that it can increase the value and it can enhance the Bihar entrepreneurial ecosystem. While India has done a fantastic job in the digital infrastructures, be it Aadhaar, be it UPI, and now ONDC, and exporting those infrastructures to across the globe and making the India as the unicorn hub, we have a long way to go. And the long way to go is from the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. It is the cities like Patna. It is cities like Surat. It is cities like Jaipur. It is cities like Ahmedabad, which has to come and make their entrepreneurial ecosystems alive. It is such a heartening to hear that the LinkedIn of Startup Bihar has reached 10,000 members. That just shows the vibrancy, just shows the interest of the entrepreneurs to create their own mark. I keep talking about two different aspects. One, reaching the immortality. How do we reach immortality? See, Bihar is such a karma bhumi. We all talk about how do we reach immortal. And in the olden generations, people used to reach immortal by doing certain pious activities or through the names of the kids' activities. A lot of those things used to happen. But today, in the current world, you reach immortal by becoming one of the largest entrepreneurs of that particular area. How can you reach and how can you create? See, today we talk about Ratan Tata. Today we talk about Jamshedji Tata because they are immortal in their activities, what they have done for the entrepreneurial ecosystem. Can we all do a clarion call for all the entrepreneurs who are in the audience to become immortal by creating those entrepreneurial activities where the state of Bihar can be so proud of what you all can achieve in the coming years, whether it is in the deep tech, whether it is in the AI, whether it is in sustainability focus areas. Bihar has a huge history of the education as a background. Maybe you all can revolutionize how the world looks at education in the coming decade. Maybe you can take leap an example like of a Kata book and create a vernacular startups, create the MSMEs, and make sure that the rural India thrives to be that entrepreneurial ecosystem. In order to do all of this, we need a stronger access to capital, and hence my request to the Honorable Minister and the Secretary to create a fund of funds from the state so that the entrepreneurs have a stronger access to capital. Maybe we can work closely with TIE, Patna, CIMP to invest in the research and development, especially in the deep tech sectors. Maybe simplified policies. I come from the state of Telangana. I'm very proud of that fact. Maybe some example to emulate is look at a structure like T-Hub. Maybe something like startup policy of Telangana, where it is such a ease of doing business is a back of the hand business. Maybe state of Bihar. I'm totally not aware of what the existing policies, but something where we can collaborate among the various states. See, at the end of the day, we need to create India as a superpower in the startup and the entrepreneurial economy. So if all states can come together, work together, and that is where I think we all can work and make India the great nation, the great Bharat, right? What makes a thriving startup ecosystem, right? Which means that we need to have a strong community. That is all it matters. I would want to submit these lines to the Honorable Minister and Secretary. I'm not sure how much they are aware of TIE. TIE has been that community that has been that strong community for over 33 years. TIE is not just a community, but it is a movement where we have given wind beneath the wings of thousands of entrepreneurs in the last 33 years. Whoever dared to dream, we have worked hard. We have connected the entrepreneurs from the Silicon Valley streets to the vibrant streets of Hyderabad. TIE has been that guiding force, connecting mentors, investors, and global opportunities. So maybe we all can join hands with TIE to make sure that it is combined success. It is not one success, but I want to reiterate the fact that when you, the entrepreneur, succeed, it is not just going to be your success, but it is a success of the entire ecosystem. Whenever there is an entrepreneur, an aspiring entrepreneur with an idea in a tier 3 city, get connected to a global network. Whenever there is a seasoned leader who becomes a mentor, passing down the wisdom that cannot be found in books. It is where we don't just build companies, but we build legacies. And that is where we achieve the immortality. And that is the magic of TIE, right? Today, as we stand at the crossroads of the evolving world economy, TIE's role has never been more critical. The next wave of innovation, the next generation of unicorns, and the next level set of global leaders will not come from an individual efforts, but the community like ours, like community like TIE Patna. So, and here where I'm calling on all of you, let us double down our commitment to mentorship. Let us inspire the next 10,000 entrepreneurs to dream bigger. Let us build an ecosystem that is not just a particular in the global economy, but a leader. With that, I want to thank each and every one and wish you all a grand success for the Startup Bihar event. Wishing all that Bihar creates the 10,000 entrepreneurs in next coming years. And I want to again reiterate that it is not a vision of TIE Patna, cannot be a vision of state of Bihar, but it is a collective responsibility, a responsibility to each other and to the future of entrepreneurship. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, inspiring words and sharing your views on this momentous occasion. Now, moving forward, let's welcome again Shri Bharat Oswal, Sir, Vice Chairman, Jito Incubation and Innovation Foundation, as the next speaker. Sir is a seasoned brand management professional with over 15 years of experience across diverse industries. A believer in innovation, kindness, and resilience, he turned entrepreneurial challenges into success with ventures like Botree. Known for strategic thinking, he excels in driving brand value and revenue growth while embracing lifelong learning. Please join me in welcoming Shri Bharat Oswal ji with a big round of applause.
Good morning. Thank you, everybody. This is for the first time I'm coming to BR. मतलब मेरा पहली बार है और मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिहार आने के बाद. सो आई एम एक्चुअली थ्रिल्ड, थोड़ा नर्वस भी हूँ क्योंकि पहली बार आप कोई अलग शहर, एक अलग जगह आए हो. सो जस्ट मैं थोड़े मेरे जो विचार है मैं बताना चाहूँगा. तो बिहार हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ लैंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. there have always been people who have taught a lot of things. I come from a place in Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र बिना बिहार के चल नहीं सकता है क्योंकि जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है लोगों का महाराष्ट्र के डेवलपमेंट में या गुजरात के डेवलपमेंट में या राजस्थान के डेवलपमेंट में, वहाँ पे बिहार काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑफिसर्स आज जो सर्व कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे उन्होंने काफ़ी सारा डेवलपमेंट वो स्टेट में लाया है और ये हम चाहते हैं कि वही चीज़ यहाँ पे भी हो. मैं जीतो का पार्ट हूँ. जैन इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो एग्जिस्ट करता है अक्रॉस इंडिया में. हमारे करीबन एक 25,000 मेंबर है. वी आर probably one of the few communities who have always been working in collective manner and they've always contributed to the GDP of the country. तो कहीं ना कहीं पे जैनिज़्म का जो बेस है वो बिहार है और एक इमोशनल अटैचमेंट है बिहार की तरफ जो छूट गया है, जो वापस लाना है. और ये पहली एक नींव है जहाँ से हम लोग शुरू करेंगे. अब जब हम लोग स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम की बात करते हैं तो जैन्स आपको हर जगह दिखेंगे कि जहाँ बिजनेस दिखेगा वहाँ आपको जैन्स दिखेगा. और कहीं ना कहीं पे कंट्रीब्यूशन जब हम लोग देखते हैं स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में भी काफ़ी हद तक जैन्स लोगों का है. जब हम लोग बात करते हैं यूनिकॉर्न की, आज के दिन पे जब हम लोग 115 यूनिकॉर्न है उसमें से करीबन 25 यूनिकॉर्न आर हैविंग को फाउंडर्स एज जैन्स एंड that is the kind of contribution which is there. But there is also a surprise element कि कहीं ना कहीं पे जब हम लोग यूनिकॉर्न की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे बिहार से भी काफ़ी ऐसे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है जो यूनिकॉर्न है, मुझे नहीं पता कि आपको पता है कि नहीं, बट जैसे रेजर पे है, अपस्टॉक्स है, योर स्टोरी है, इन सब का बेस कहीं ना कहीं पे बिहार है। तो बहुत बार ऐसा रहता है कि हम लोग बात करते हैं कि स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में बिहार का कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है। हम लोग सिर्फ ब्यूरोक्रेटिक और पॉलिटिकल इकोसिस्टम में देखते हैं, बट बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन अक्रॉस द कंट्री अगर मैं देखता हूँ, आप कोई भी स्टेट में जाओगे तो आपको कोई ना कोई एक बिहारी एंटरप्रेन्योर दिखेगा ही दिखेगा। और ये मेरे हिसाब से एक स्टेट के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। और हम चाहेंगे कि ये जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं वो वापस आए और यहाँ पे कंट्रीब्यूट करें यहाँ के डेवलपमेंट के लिए। कि जब हम लोग कैपिटल की बात करते हैं, नेटवर्क की बात करते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो आज बैंगलोर में है, पूना में है, बॉम्बे में है। हम चाहेंगे कि वो लोग यहाँ आए, यहाँ सेटअप करें, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है। गवर्नमेंट काफ़ी सपोर्टिव है, मतलब जितना सपोर्ट हमको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी स्टेट उतना कोई रेड कारपेट दे पाएगा। तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। जो ये फीलिंग है, जब मैंने जीतो में ये बताया कि मैं बिहार आ रहा हूँ, तो बहुत सारे लोग एक्साइटेड थे कि अरे बिहार जा रहे हो यार, तो मंदिर के दर्शन के अलावा बाकी की चीज़ें भी कर लेना। और जीतो की नींव आज मैं ये स्टेज पे कहना चाहूँगा कि जीतो यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, पटना से शुरू करेंगे, और यहाँ पे काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेंगे स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में, नॉट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सेस ऑफ कैपिटल बट एक्सेस ऑफ अ वेरी बिग नेटवर्क। हम चाहेंगे कि rather than being a job seeker we become a job giver। मतलब नेक्स्ट 10 साल हम चाहेंगे कि बिहार वो स्टेट हो जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग जॉब देने आए, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी हो या आईटी कंपनी हो, वो सारा यहाँ पे सेटअप डाले। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू से। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कमिंग हियर and I'm really thrilled and I would be excited to meet lot of people, understand बिहार। जो हमारा परसेप्शन है, बहुत बार परसेप्शन गलत होता है, जो चेंज हो गया कल आने के बाद में। और यही आशा करूँगा कि मैं हर महीने आऊँ और कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा कर पाऊँ यहाँ बिहार के लिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir, for your address. Now, I would like to introduce Shri Nikhil Dhanraj Nipanikar, sir, as the next speaker. Sir is a visionary IS officer and currently serving as the Director of Handloom and Sericulture, Department of Industries, Government of Bihar. He champions industrial growth through strategic innovation and entrepreneurship development. His work continues to shape sustainable economic progress in the region. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good morning. It's an honor to address you on this special occasion of National Startup Day, a celebration of innovation, entrepreneurship, and a transformative power of ideas. This is the day of particular importance as we celebrate here in Bihar, a state brimming with talent, culture, and untapped potential. Bihar has a history of intellectual brilliance, from the ancient centers like Nalanda and Vikramshila to the modern day achievements in various fields. Startup Bihar aims to make the state a hub of innovation. By celebrating this day, we encourage our youth to dream big and turn the ideas into reality. With agriculture being the backbone of Bihar's economy, it offers enormous opportunities for agri-tech startups, food processing industries, and rural innovation. But having said that, today we have 900 plus startups which are working in 10 different sectors, like in medicine, education technology, IT-enabled services, fashion and apparels. One of Bihar's major challenges has been the migration of our talent to other states. By fostering a culture of startup, we are creating opportunities locally, enabling our brightest minds to contribute to the state's growth without having to leave their roots. Last year, startups from Bihar have generated approximately 4,000 jobs, and there are many startups, the founders of which have worked in multi-corporates and big MNCs, and they have returned back to Bihar just to start their enterprise with the growing startup system here. Startup Bihar also provides internship opportunities where we match the students to the potential recruiters. In one such initiative, we have right now successfully completed internship program for 90 such students. Startup is not just about creating profit. It is more about solving real world problems. In Bihar, startups can address issues which are critical, like rural healthcare, education accessibility, and unemployment. Bihar's strategic location, fertile land, and rich cultural heritage, the state has an immense potential to become a startup hub, not just for India, but for the world. Celebrating National Startup Day today sends a very strong message to all those startups, students, professionals, and the grassroots innovators that the state values their contribution in the growth. This also amplifies the awareness about the various opportunities that the state has provided to the youth and how the youth can use them to excel them. Startup Bihar under the Department of Industries has taken many significant steps. We have 10 lakh rupees seed funding, post-seed fund of 15 lakhs, a matching fund support maximum up to 50 lakhs. We have reimbursement on successful grant of IPR and patents, and also we have an acceleration support up to 3 lakhs. Startup Bihar has an infrastructural support provided in the form of startup cells in each districts. We have incubation centers at 21 locations. We have a number of mentoring programs, a rapid prototyping lab, co-working spaces, and center of excellences. We also support startups by creating market access, by promoting them at various expos, events, and by supporting by the purchase preference policy. Today we are seeing a steady growth in the startup ecospace in Bihar. We have more than 1,500 applications today, of which we have 900 registered startups, out of which 40% are in prototyping stage. 30% of the startups today are at the ideation stage. 20% have an MVP stage, and 10% have already reached up a scaling up stage. That's a huge achievement for the Bihar startup ecosystem. And today the startups from Bihar are making name nationwide, and they're doing good business. As we celebrate the National Startup Day, let us remember that innovation is not bound by geography, and great ideas can come from anywhere. I urge the youth of Bihar to embrace the startup ecosystem, think creatively, and build solutions that not only bring economic prosperity, but also for social upliftment. Let us work together to make Bihar a land of opportunities and a shining example of entrepreneurship. This day acts as a beacon of inspiration for all those who take risks, innovate, and lead. Thank you all. Let us continue to celebrate the spirit of innovation, startup, and growth. Jai Bihar, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nikhil sir, for highlighting the achievements of the Startup Bihar and the policies of the government of Bihar. Now, moving on to the next speaker, we are delighted to introduce our next speaker, a special guest of honor, Srimati Bandana Priyasi Madam. Ma'am is an IAS 2003 Bihar cadre officer and a visionary bureaucrat, and currently serving as the Secretary of the Department of Industries, Government of Bihar. From empowering communities at the grassroots as district magistrate to shaping policies at the national level, she has left an indelible mark on the India's governance landscape. In her previous roles, Ma'am has worked in the Ministry of Finance, Women and Child Development, Cooperative Department, and Art and Culture and Youth Department. She has worked with the global institutions like the Asian Development Bank and the World Bank. Put your hands together for a hearty welcome to Srimati Bandana Priyasi Madam for her address.
Chief guest of the event, Honorable Minister of Industries and Tourism, Shri Nitish Mishra ji, Professor Rana Singh, Director SIM, dignitaries of the dais, and my fellow dreamers who are here. First of all, greetings on the World National Startup Day. Nikhil, you have put very succinctly what the department is doing, so I'll not repeat what you said. But I would like to share two anecdotes with you. First was when in the course of Bihar Business Connect, we were traveling to places. So we have chosen Bangalore as our IT destination, that there we'll go and attract IT and ITS investments in Bihar. We met people, we have a lot of discussions there. It's a very intensive process where we meet potential investors. But when I went there, it felt that IT is a passe. What Bangalore was doing was creating an ecosystem. They have already actually created an ecosystem where everybody is thinking about startups. It was it was in the air. It was in the air they were breathing. It felt like that ecosystem of entrepreneurship, of aspiration, of dreaming. So it was actually very, very eye-opening experience for me, because maybe we belong to another generation where IT was the in thing, but it's beyond IT plus now. And the way Bangalore has created that ecosystem where everybody can dream, and everybody can dream big and actually realize their potential and contribute towards employment, towards economy, towards... So this is the kind of learning I came back with. That when we are thinking of Startup Bihar, it cannot be limited to... we've done well. It's not that we've not done well, but it cannot be limited to 900 startups. It has to go up to 9,000 minimum. And when we are thinking in terms of funding, as the previous speaker said, fund of funds is important. Government is doing its bit, but we have to really massively scale up. There has to be a storm of startups. We have to encourage that kind of entrepreneurship. And that is the learning I came back. Dream big, scale it up, and trust in the youth and their dreams and their aspirations. Second, anecdote that I want to share with you is during the Bihar Business Connect again, we had a session on startups. And I didn't know I was sitting next to a hero. So, in shorts, as Iqbal, the new heroes are not people like... they are the startups who are the new, the people who have unicorns, people who have proved, people who have started from a baseline, zero. And they have achieved so much. And then there was Iqbal sitting next to me, a hero. And the way his story inspired people, the way he was mobbed after the event, the way people drew inspiration from him. I thought we have a new leaders who have come up, and the leaders are going to come up from these startups, that they are the new heroes. So on the startup day, I would just... tell you that the government of Bihar is committed towards startup, and this is a startup is not about an institution, or it is about a dream. It is a collective dream, collective aspirations of people, and the kind of responses I'm getting, the kind of queries, the kind of interest that young people are showing in startups. I think we can really come together and build up a very, very strong ecosystem, not merely in Patna. Right now we have 3 B-Hubs and around 21 incubation centers. We need to scale it up. We have to take it down to the grassroots, on the subdivision level, even below down if we can do that, and get people to think. Because those days are past when we should be dependent upon government jobs. We should be, that inclination already we are seeing is going down. So what are the next career options available? You have to do things on your own. You have to think big. And think big. There are a lot of new areas where I can think startups can work. Nikhil named rural health, agriculture, but I can think of AIs, we can think of aggregators, I can think of so many, sustainability, environment. So you have to think out of the box, because when we give funds to, we do a selection on the basis of how you can continue with the program, how you can attain, as the previous speaker said, immortality. So we also select on the basis of how innovative you are, how sustainable you are. So think in terms of newer ideas, fresh ideas, which will have an impact and which can be scaled up. And Government of Bihar is there with you. I want I want to assure you from my side that the startups are the priority of the government. We are working on it. We are soon at already promised earlier that we are going to have a big startup event where we are going to make Bihar the epicenter of the seeding of startup funds. We are going to have more and more startups registration, hand-holding, incubation center, and really scale it up so that, like Bangalore, we also become where the heartbeat is is correlated to the startups, where the pulse of the youth is like a startup. So what I want to say, I just want you to say that we have faith in youth. We have in the aspirations of the youth, your dreams, and Government of Bihar, Industry Department is here to support you, to handhold you, and take your dreams to its logical end. So once again, thank you so much for organizing this event. Through you, I want to assure you that startup is our priority, and we will ensure it within this financial year that the face of startups sees a real facelift. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam, for those inspiring words. Now, moving on with today's event, it gives us immense pride and excitement to announce the official launch of the new Startup Bihar portal, a platform dedicated to fostering entrepreneurship and innovation across our state. This portal is a step towards enabling our visionary entrepreneurs and startups to access resources, guidance, and opportunities that will help them thrive in their respective domains. To formally launch the portal, I would now like to request our Honorable Minister, Sir, to kindly press the button and formally inaugurate the portal. Please join him with a big round of applause as he unveils this transformative platform. Thank you so much, sir, for unveiling this new portal that will be instrumental in driving Bihar's entrepreneurial ecosystem to greater heights. Now, we are delighted to showcase a special short film that encapsulates the journey, vision, and endless possibilities within the Startup Bihar ecosystem. This film will take us through the inspiring initiatives and success stories that make Bihar a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to watch and please enjoy the short film.
Startup Bihar is rewriting the entrepreneurial narrative of the state. Introduced in 2017 and further enhanced in 2022, the Bihar Startup Policy is a transformative initiative offering seed funding, infrastructure, and mentorship. With over 10,000 applications received and 51.27 crore rupees disbursed to startups, the ecosystem is vibrant and inclusive. Co-working hubs like B-Hub and incubation centers at premier institutes ensure startups have access to state-of-the-art resources, enabling rapid growth. Prakhar Kumar Singh, an IIT Bombay alumnus, embodies this success. His startup Flow provides digital solutions for MSMEs, simplifying taxation, accounting, and operations. Bihar's startup policy played a pivotal role in Flow's journey, offering a 10 lakh rupees grant, subsidized office space and structured mentorship. Today, Flow has a turnover of over 3 crore rupees, creating jobs and expanding across industries. Supported by institutions like CIMP and IIT Patna, Prakhar's venture highlights the potential of Bihar's entrepreneurial ecosystem. Similarly inspiring is Pintu Kumar's Agro Kisan, which revolutionizes farming in Bihar. After 9 years in agriculture, Pintu launched his venture with government seed funding of 10 lakh rupees and incubation support from IIT Patna. Agro Kisan empowers farmers with quality resources, technical guidance, and innovative tools, transforming livelihoods. The startup's vision aligns with Bihar's push for agri-tech solutions, positioning the state as a leader in sustainable farming practices. Established in 2018, Weave Hand, founded by Riddhima Srivastava, is dedicated to uplifting the lives of rural families in Bihar. Weave Hand is dedicated to preserving and promoting traditional handloom and handicrafts, ensuring fair wages for artisans. They strive to revive ancient art forms and sustain cultural heritage through exceptional craftsmanship. Their startup was registered under Bihar Startup Policy in 2022. The seed funding from the government of Bihar helped her to build a core team and acquire customer base in Patna and beyond. What sets Weave Hand apart is its focus on customization. Customers can personalize their orders through Weave Hand's platform, selecting colors, patterns, and fabrics, ensuring that each piece is unique. With its robust ecosystem and visionary initiatives, Bihar is emerging as a beacon for innovation, empowering entrepreneurs to shape the state's future. From technology to agriculture, Bihar is redefining its identity as the land of endless opportunities.
See the limitless potential of Bihar's entrepreneurial landscape. Let us continue to support and celebrate these innovations. Up next, we have one of the most awaited segments of today's event, the distribution of seed fund checks to some of the most promising startups from Bihar. This funding is a testament to our commitment of the Department of Industries to support startups and empower them to achieve their goals. First, we will start with the distribution of seed fund checks of worth rupees 4 and 6 lakhs, and I would request and invite Bandana Priyasi Madam to come forward along with our Honorable Minister, Sir, Nitish Mishra, Sir, to do the honors and provide the seed fund checks and present it to the selected startups. The first tranche of seed funds amounting to rupees 4 lakhs will be awarded to 3 startups today. I'll be calling their names one by one. Please come forward and receive your check. First is Stagefinder Tech Private Limited. The next startup is Mozo International Private Limited. Mozo International Private Limited. The third is Smilescape Hospitality Private Limited. The second tranche of seed funds amounting to 6 lakhs of rupees is awarded to Unparalleled Learning Technology OPC Private Limited. Congratulations. Please come forward to receive your check. Now it's time to announce the post-seed fund beneficiaries who are going to receive checks worth rupees 15 lakhs. It is going to be awarded to 2 startups today. I'll calling out their names. Web Zyro Technologies Private Limited and Dibrail Services Private Limited. Congratulations to all the teams who have received the seed fund and post-seed fund checks. Moving forward, we will now be witnessing the distribution of the certificates of appreciation to the startup cells for their good performance in monthly ranking in the last 6 months. We will be calling the names one by one and accordingly the concerned startup cells to come forward and collect the certificate and memento. The third position has been bagged by Bihar Agriculture University, Sabor. The second position has been bagged by Government Engineering College, Vaishali. And the first position goes to Government Engineering College, Aurangabad. Now, we are announcing the names of the incubation centers who are being recognized for their good performance in monthly ranking of incubation centers in the last 1 year. The third position has been bagged by Chanakya National Law University, Patna. The second position goes to Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Central Agriculture University, Pusa, Samastipur. And now the winners of the first position. We have joint winners for the first position, proudly saying Chandragupta Institute of Management, Patna and the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Patna. With a special mention that CIMP Business Incubation Innovation Foundation has made a hat trick by bagging the first position in the last 3 months. A big round of applause to us. Congratulations to all the startup cells and incubation centers whose efforts have been recognized through this distribution ceremony. Now, moving forward, on the occasion of the National Startup Day, we are also going to witness the launch of the annual colorful calendar by the Bihar State Khadi and Village Industries Board, designed by the Khadi Board's design team to highlight Khadi's cultural heritage achievements and future plans. Of the calendar launch of the Khadi Industries, and I would request Honorable Minister Sir to do the unveiling of the calendar along with the dignitaries who have joined on the stage. Designed by Khadi Board's design team to highlight Khadi's cultural heritage achievements and future plans. Now, the time has come to hear directly from the most awaited speaker, our chief guest for today's inaugural event, Honorable Minister Shri Nitish Mishra Sir. Sir is presently serving as the Minister of Industries and also heading the Department of Tourism in the Government of Bihar. His exemplary leadership has also been seen in his previous roles as the Minister of Rural Development, Disaster Management and Sugarcane Development. Throughout his career, Sir has been recognized for his outstanding contributions. Notably, he revamped the Department of Rural Development, winning 3 national prizes for effective and transparent implementation of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Manrega. His commitment to transparency led to the mapping of all Panchayat bank accounts on the Central Plan Scheme Monitoring System. His accolades include being voted Pepsi MTV Youth Icon Young Achiever in 2008 and receiving the prestigious British Foreign and Commonwealth Chevening Fellowship in 1997. Sir, over to you, sir. The list is so long.
Thank you so much. It's a privilege and it's an honor, and it's always nice to address the youngsters, and as Honorable Prime Minister always says, the Amrit Pirhi, और सही मायने में अमृत पीढ़ी आप ही लोग हैं, who will be the flag bearers of Viksit Bharat 2047 का जो Honorable PM का संकल्प है, उसको आप ही के द्वारा पूरा करना भी है. श्रीमती वंदना प्रेयसी जी, सेक्रेटरी इंडस्ट्रीज़ एंड सेक्रेटरी इन्वायरमेंट, आपके अपने डायरेक्टर CIMP डॉक्टर राणा सिंह जी, a very young and a passionate officer who started his career in a corporate and then moved to civil services, and इनके बारे में सिर्फ डायरेक्टर हैंडलूम वगैरह हो रहा था, but he is the person who is driving the Bihar startup now, Mr. Nikhil. And a common, I think, which I and the secretary and what Nikhil shares is, we all three are very passionate about the micro enterprises, MSME and startups. तो ये कभी भी हम लोग बात करते हैं, अभी वंदना जी से भी बात हो रही थी, तो इवन जो अभी स्टार्टअप पे उनके विज़न हैं जो वो करना चाह रही हैं, निखिल जी भी जो लगातार कर रहे हैं, और मैं भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. तो एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि डिपार्टमेंट में जब एक कॉमन विजन के साथ द इंटायर डिपार्टमेंट इज़ वर्किंग तो रिजल्ट्स बेहतर आते हैं. श्री KPS केसरी जी, हु हेड्स दी बिहार इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन, और इंक्यूबेशन वगैरह में शुरुआत में जब चर्चा उतनी नहीं होती थी, ही इज़ द वन हु स्टार्टेड इन बिहार थ्रू बिहार इंडस्ट्रीज एसोसिएशन. भरत ओसवाल जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिल के भी, एंड आई एम द मिनिस्टर फॉर टूरिज़म ऑल्सो. तो मैंने आपसे भी शेयर भी किया कि इससे अच्छा हमारे लिए क्या होगा, क्योंकि बिहार इज़ नेचुरली ब्लेस्ड. मेजर रिलीजन का सीट, उसका प्रमुख स्थान बिहार है, एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी अश्योर्ड एंड कमिटेड कि बिहार में अब आप अपने ऑपरेशंस को शुरू करेंगे. तो वी अश्योर ऑल दी सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. थैंक यू सो मच. विजय प्रकाश जी यहाँ बैठे हैं, और विजय प्रकाश जी इज़ अ वेरी सीनियर ऑफिसर, एंड आई रिमेंबर, आपको याद है या नहीं याद है, 2013 में बिहार इनोवेशन फोरम हम लोगों ने ग्रामीण विकास में जीविका के थ्रू किया था, एंड एट दैट टाइम यू आर हेडिंग द बिहार इनोवेशन काउंसिल. तो एक पहली बार में एक इनोवेशन, बिकॉज इनोवेशन इज़ द पायनियर फॉर ऑल दी आप स्टार्टअप्स कह लीजिए या कोई भी नए प्रयोग जब हम करते हैं तो उस समय अंडर द जीविका मैंडेट वी हैड लॉन्च्ड बिहार इनोवेशन फोरम एंड इट वाज अ ह्यूज सक्सेस. वी रिसीव्ड मोर देन 1700 एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम रूरल एरियाज़ जो डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, बीट हेल्थ, बीट एग्रीकल्चर, बीट पब्लिक डिलीवरी. इट वाज वेरी सक्सेसफुल बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली एट दैट टाइम वी डिडंट हैड एनी स्टार्टअप फंड्स या सीड कैपिटल या मैचिंग ग्रांट उस समय नहीं थी. बट जो हमारे बिहार के यंगस्टर्स में जो एक पैशन है दैट वाज इवन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम आल्सो. स्टूडेंट्स एंड फैकल्टी मेंबर ऑफ CIMP दिलीप शरण जी, मिस्टर मुरली जिनको अभी हम लोगों ने सुना हुआ जॉइंट ऑनलाइन, लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन. बहुत ज़्यादा भी है कहने को और बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं भी कह पाऊँगा बिकॉज आई हैव अ प्रोग्राम इन गया. अदर ऑनरेबल जीतन राम मांझी जी खादी पे एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम इट्स ऑलरेडी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन गया एंड आई हैव टू बी देयर. कम में ही मैं आपको थोड़ा कुछ अपनी बात रखना चाहूँगा. I always say that the present generation is a blessed generation और blessed generation I mean कि जितनी opportunities आज के youth को है वो opportunities हम लोग को नहीं थी. हम अगर अपने जब we were in college अगर हम कुछ सोचना चाहते कि नहीं हम अपना कुछ करते हैं तो the entire ecosystem was not that conducive या उतना favorable नहीं था कि आपके कुछ आइडियाज़ को उस ढंग से ना माहौल था, ना गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ थी, ना फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस के वैसे सपोर्ट थे. लेकिन आज आपके जनरेशन में ये बहुत है कि अगर इफ़ यू हैव एनीथिंग आपको कोई रोक नहीं सकता है. मतलब अगर आपके पास आइडिया है और थोड़ी आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग है, थोड़ा इनोवेशन उसमें जुड़ा हुआ है तो नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू. मतलब आज का यूथ यू ऑल आर अनस्टॉपेबल. आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. अगर आप मजबूत इच्छा शक्ति के साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं तो आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. आप सही मायने में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. और प्रोफेसर अपने पूर्व राष्ट्रपति APJ अब्दुल कलाम साहब की बातें, सपने वो नहीं होते जो आप नींद में देखते हैं, सपने वो हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं दें. और सही मायने में अगर कहें तो आज के यूथ में वही है. मतलब एक प्रोग्राम अभी था उसमें बहुत अच्छा मुझे लगा. शमिका रवि जी अगर आपने सुना हो, शी इज़ अ इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड शी वर्क्स इन द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स टीम. तो उन्होंने बड़ा अच्छा का एक राजभवन संवाद में वी वर टुगेदर. तो उन्होंने अपने कॉलेज डेज़ और हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि जब अपने हम लोग कॉलेजेस में थे तो हमारे कोई फ्रेंड अगर कोई म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाता था, गिटार बजाता था, कुछ बजाता था तो हम लोग बहुत उसको इंटरेस्ट के साथ देखते थे और लगता था देखो भाई कितना अच्छा. बड़ा मतलब एक कह सकते हैं कि बड़ा यो थिंग था उस समय. तो शी देन सेड कि नहीं आज की जनरेशन में मतलब जो यंगस्टर्स हैं उनमें वो स्टार्टअप आया. आई हैव अ स्टार्टअप, आई ओन अ स्टार्टअप, आई रन अ स्टार्टअप, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ. और जिनको अभी हम लोगों ने अभी यहाँ फेलिसिटेट किया, जब उनसे मैं पूछ रहा था कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसा कर रहे हैं, तो जो वो बता रहे थे उसमें जो एक उनको एक जो गर्व महसूस हो रहा था तो वो बहुत वही एक चीज़ है जो आपको ड्राइव करता है. एंड इंडिया नीड्स, भारत को ज़रूरत है जॉब क्रिएटर्स की. जितनी हमारे पास यूथ फोर्स है और आप समझेंगे कि टिल 2070 इफ़ आई एम करेक्ट इंडिया विल हैव द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ यंग पॉपुलेशन ग्लोबली. और अभी भी पूरे देश में अगर आप डिफरेंट स्टेट से भी कंपेयर करें तो बिहार हैज़ द यंगेस्ट पॉपुलेशन. तो हमारे पास जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं डिपार्टमेंट पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग डाउन टिल सब डिवीज़न लेवल वेयर वी विल बी स्टैब्लिशिंग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट सेंटर्स, उद्यमिता विकास केंद्र. उस पर हम लोगों ने शुरू भी कर दिया है. स्टार्टअप सेल्स भी अब हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस में हमेशा मैं मानता हूँ कि यूथ को जितना आसानी से गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ के बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आपका मोटिवेशन भी बढ़ता है. एंड आई ऑलवेज से एंड आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि हमारी सिस्टम इतनी सिंपल होनी चाहिए, हमारा प्रोसेस इतना सिंपल होना चाहिए कि आपका जो इंटरेस्ट, आपका जो ज़ील, आपका जो इंथुजियाज़म है वो थके नहीं, वो रुके नहीं. गवर्नमेंट का सिस्टम ही ऐसा बने कि आपको सब सुविधा हो. उसी कड़ी में ये जो एक पोर्टल अभी हम लोगों ने लॉन्च किया है, नाउ एवरीथिंग वुड बी मॉनिटर्ड ऑनलाइन. आप खुद भी देख सकते हैं, यू कैन ट्रैक योर एप्लीकेशंस, यू कैन पुट अप योर ग्रीवेंसेस देयर. तो एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म आपको आज जो निखिल जी के प्रयास से और पूरे एक स्टार्टअप की टीम ने ही इसको बनाया है, इस पोर्टल को, आने वाले समय में ये बहुत यूज़फुल होगा. एक ज़रूर मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि देखिए सोशल मीडिया आज के समय में एक वरदान और अभिशाप दोनों है. अगर 10 केसेस में 9 केसेस को हम करते हैं, उसकी चर्चा हम कम करते हैं। कोई एक केस अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं होता है, तो उसके बारे में हम ज़्यादा बात करते हैं। तो मैं तो वैसे 9 लोगों से आग्रह करूंगा कि आप अपने पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस को भी शेयर कीजिए, बिकॉज नेगेटिविटी सेल्स वेरी इजी। मतलब कुछ भी अगर आता है, और गवर्नमेंट का एक सिस्टम है, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू फॉलो सर्टेन नॉर्म्स, हमको बहुत सारे चेक गार्ड्स देखने पड़ते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को इंश्योर करना पड़ता है। तो एट टाइम्स डिलीवरी में या एग्जीक्यूशन में या अप्रूवल में थोड़ा समय लगना नेचुरल है, बट इवन सेइंग दैट हमारी चीज़ें बहुत स्मूथन हुई हैं, बहुत आसान हुआ है, और चीज़ें उसी का परिणाम है। When I joined about 10 months back as a Minister Industries and Tourism, if I am not, अगर मैं सही हूँ तो around 500 स्टार्टअप्स थे। और मैंने अपनी टीम को जब मैं पहली बार मॉनिटर कर रहा था, अगर कोई यहाँ बैठे या बैठी हुई हों तो उनको शायद यह होगा कि मैंने सिर्फ इतना कहा था कि इस फिगर में एक ज़ीरो ऐड कर दें आप, मतलब अगर 500 है तो लेट्स टेक इट टू 5000। और मेरी इच्छा है कि बिहार के जितने भी ग्राम पंचायत हैं, अबाउट 8000 प्लस ग्राम पंचायत हैं, हर एक ग्राम पंचायत में आने वाले समय में अगर हम 5-10 सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्राइज भी खड़ा कर देते हैं, इट विल हैव द पोटेंशियल ऑफ चेंजिंग द इंटायर इकोनॉमी ऑफ बिहार। तो आप सब में वो पैशन है। स्टार्टअप डे की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, एंड आई अश्योर यू दैट द टीम इंडस्ट्रीज़ और जो पर्टिकुलरली जो हमारे स्टार्टअप की टीम है वो हमेशा आपके साथ रहेगी। इश्यूज़ आएंगे बट वी ऑल आर हियर। आपको कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आप हम लोग से बात करें, वी विल ट्राई, कोशिश करेंगे कि जितनी आसानी से चीज़ें हों। और अभी वंदना जी से बात हो रही थी कि अभी जो हमारे 900 रजिस्टर्ड स्टार्टअप्स हैं, बाय एंड ऑफ दिस फाइनेंशियल ईयर उसको सब्सटैंशियली हम उसको बढ़ाना चाहेंगे, और अगले फाइनेंशियल ईयर में हम चाहेंगे कि वो नंबर और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए, और बिहार के हर एक ग्राम पंचायत, हर एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्लॉक में सक्सेसफुल स्टार्टअप्स हों। बिहार के लोग हैं जो बाहर हैं, उनके यूनिकॉर्न्स हैं, बट आई वांट कि बिहार से जो शुरू हुआ है वो आने वाले समय में यूनिकॉर्न बने, और यही मेरा एक कह सकते हैं विजन है। और आई विल बी दी हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन जब आप ही लोग में से कोई बढ़ के, जिनका अभी मैं देख रहा था, किन्हीं का 4 करोड़ टर्नओवर है, किन्हीं का 10 करोड़ है, किन्हीं का 50 लाख है, कोई शुरू कर रहे हैं। आई विश एंड आई प्रे कि आने वाले समय में आप यूनिकॉर्न बने और देश के डेवलपमेंट में आप उस ढंग से कंट्रीब्यूट करें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for an insightful and inspiring address. Your words have truly illuminated the path forward for all of us. Now, since we are moving to the end of this inspiring, motivating inaugural session, I would just like to brief the schedule after this inaugural session, which is Networking High Tea, and after that there is a workshop by Shri Dilip Sharan sir on the topic Understanding Investor Psychology, the Art of Perfect Pitching. And after that, at 11:55, a panel discussion is scheduled on the topic Building a Thriving Startup Ecosystem in Bihar with a good number of panelists. And then we have a question-answer session. At the end, we have the vote of thanks by Shri Kumod sir and lunch and networking. Now, since we have come to the conclusion of this event, or the inaugural session, to express our gratitude, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Rana sir and Kumod sir to present mementos as a token of appreciation to our dignitaries and guests. I would request Kumod sir and other dignitaries to join sir in this particular award ceremony. This Pepper incubated by CIMP Business Incubation and Innovation Foundation. I would request Director Sir to present the memento to Bandana Priyasi Madam. I would again request Rana Sir to present a memento to Nikhil Dhanraj Sir. I would request Kumod sir to present a memento as a token of appreciation to KPS Kesri sir. Now again requesting Kumod sir to present memento to Bharat Oswal sir. And finally, Kumod sir, kindly present memento to Sri Dilip Sharan sir. With this, we have come to the end of the inaugural session. Let's